In 2025, technology is making life easier in ways we never imagined just a few years ago. The Internet of Things, IoT, has become a part of everyday life, connecting devices and automating tasks to save time, money, and effort. People no longer have to stress over simple things because smart technology is stepping in to handle them. One of the most useful life hacks of this year involves smart home automation. Imagine waking up in the morning, and your curtains automatically open to let in natural sunlight, your favorite music starts playing softly, and your coffee maker has already brewed your perfect cup of coffee, all without you lifting a finger. Smart plugs and IoT-enabled appliances have made it possible to schedule and control everything remotely using just a smartphone. Whether it's turning off the lights when you forget before leaving home or adjusting the thermostat while still in bed, automation has made everyday routines smoother. Smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant have become even smarter, understanding natural speech better and anticipating what you need before you even ask. Another big life hack of 2025 is how IoT is helping people save money on electricity and water bills. Smart thermostats have learned to track when you're home and adjust temperatures accordingly, so you're not wasting energy when no one is around. Motion sensing smart lights turn on when you enter a room and off when you leave, so you never have to worry about forgetting to switch them off. Smart water systems have become more common in homes, monitoring leaks, optimizing water usage, and even adjusting irrigation systems based on weather forecasts. These small changes are leading to significant savings over time and reducing unnecessary waste. People are now living in homes that take care of themselves in ways that used to be possible only in science fiction. One of the most exciting developments in 2025 is how IoT is improving personal health and wellness. Wearable devices have advanced beyond simple fitness tracking. Smartwatches can now monitor blood sugar levels, detect irregular heart rhythms, and even predict health problems before they happen. Some smart rings and wristbands can analyze sleep patterns and offer personalized suggestions to improve rest. There are even IoT-enabled toothbrushes that analyze brushing habits and provide feedback to help prevent cavities. In the kitchen, smart refrigerators suggest recipes based on the ingredients inside, helping people make healthier food choices without much effort. Personalized health has never been this convenient, and people are benefiting from better fitness, improved diets, and a deeper understanding of their own bodies. Another life-changing hack in 2025 is how IoT is making commuting and travel easier. Smart traffic lights and AI-driven navigation systems have dramatically reduced travel time in major cities. Public transportation is now more efficient, thanks to real-time tracking and predictive scheduling. Smart cars have become more common, with self-driving technology and IoT-enabled diagnostics that detect mechanical issues before they become serious problems. Even bikes and electric scooters are now connected, allowing users to locate, rent, and park them easily through mobile apps. Traveling long distances has also become simpler, with airports and train stations using IoT to provide instant updates, shorter security lines, and a more personalized passenger experience. Gone are the days of getting lost, missing a bus, or waiting endlessly in traffic. IoT has made transportation much smarter. Perhaps the most underrated but powerful life hack of 2025 is how IoT is helping people manage their time better. Virtual personal assistants have become more advanced, capable of scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and even handling some basic online tasks on behalf of users. Smart voice-controlled devices can now order groceries, book flights, and even pay bills with simple voice commands. Work-from-home setups have also improved, with IoT-enabled office spaces that adjust lighting, background noise, and temperature to create the perfect environment for productivity. Even entertainment has become more efficient, with smart TVs that learn user preferences and suggest the best content based on watching habits. By taking over small but time-consuming tasks, IoT has given people more time to focus on things that matter: family, hobbies, and self-improvement. In 2025, the Internet of Things is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a reality that makes everyday life easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. From smart homes and energy savings to health tracking, improved travel, and time management, IoT has changed how people live. As technology continues to evolve, life will only get smoother, freeing up time and energy for the things that truly matter.